This is a very simple application here, AI application, and down here pretty much enter what you want, or you can pretty much ask the AI anything. So let's start with A as usual, and as you can see here, this is pretty much the response that the AI have given you. You can tap on this here for it to read it out loud, or you can tap on this here to pretty much copy the message, and it's at the end here to pretty much share the message with whoever you want to share with. So down here now, you have the little world icon here. If you do tap on that, that enables the web search. So anything that you have entered can pretty much ask the AI to search on the internet for you, and it will pretty much find it on the internet for you. You also have this here, which pretty much allows you to upload files, but it doesn't allows you to upload files if you do a web search. So you might have to disable that feature there, so you can upload your files or your images, whatever the case is. So over here you have the voice note option, which pretty much allows you to send voice notes, and this is pretty much the send button. So that's really pretty much it. So I've exited the chat. You can pretty much tap on the three lines over here, select the chat option, and you'll be able to see the chats. All the chats that you have created. You can also start a new chat by just exiting the chat section and going down here and starting a new one. That's how you pretty much start a new chat for this application here. So if you want to delete the chat section, all you have to do is long press the chat here, and once you have long pressed it, you'll be able to delete the chat, and you can also rename it or put it in archive, whatever you want to do with the chat, guys. So I'm just delete this chat here, as you can see, and it's completely gone. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And you have a lot of features which this AI can help you with. You have the AI tools at the top here. You have the website summarizer. You have resume. It can help you create resume. It can help you create e-commerce website. It can help you do a lot of things, guys, as I said before. So at the top here, you may see a crown icon. This is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. So as you can see here, this is pretty much your subscription prices and pretty much everything as it relates to the subscription and what to be getting. And they do offer a 1 year and a weekly subscription. I don't see a monthly subscription however. So yeah. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very basic AI application or AI tool which you can use. And do comment below and let me know your thoughts on this one. And if you have any problem, comment below as well. So see you guys in the next one.